Dear children, let us start case study number 7 from MCQ School YouTube channel for class 10 science. MCQ School is going to cover all chapters case-based questions in coming videos. Let us start case study number 7. Marble popularly began in ancient Greek and Rome, where off-white and white marbles were used to build a variety of structure, from hand-held sculpture to huge pillars and buildings. Let us take question number 1. The substance not likely to contain calcium carbonate is A. Marble statue, B. Dolomite, C. Seashells, D. Calcium gypsum. So what the answer as per you? In this, the requirement is there that the substances which are not made of calcium carbonate. We know that marble statue is made of calcium carbonate, dolomite calcium carbonate, seashells are made of calcium carbonate. Only calcine gypsum, that is of calcium sulfate dot 2H2O. So answer is D, calcium gypsum. Let us take question number 2. A student added 10 gram of calcium carbonate in a rigid container, secured it tightly and started to heat it. After some time, an increase in pressure was observed. The pressure reading was then taken and noted at the interval of 5 minutes and plotted against time in a graph as shown below. During which time interval did the maximum decomposition took place? A. 0 to 5 minutes, B. 5 to 10 minutes, C. 10 to 15 minutes, D. 15 to 20 minutes. So what the best answer as per you? We know that if the decomposition is increasing very fast, the pressure rise would be very fast. So let us do the calculation of the pressure rise every 5 minutes. So in the first 5 minutes, the pressure rise is from 0 to 0.75. So that means the pressure rise per minute is 0.75 minus 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0.15 atmosphere per minute. In the second case, the pressure is rising from 0.75 atmosphere to 0.95 atmosphere in this second interval of 5 minutes. So the pressure rise would be 0.04 atmosphere per minute. In the third rise, the pressure rise is from 0.95 to 1.05. So the pressure rise is 0.02 atmosphere per minute. So from this we understand the pressure rise very fast is in first case from 0 to 5 minutes. Hence the answer is 0 to 5 minutes. Let us take question number 3. Gas A obtained above is a reactant for a very important biochemical process which occurs in the presence of sunlight. Identify the name of the process. A. Photosynthesis, B. Respiration, C. Photolysis, D. Transpiration. So what is the answer as per you? In the previous chemical equation in which calcium carbonate when heated forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is the reactant for the photosynthesis process. In photosynthesis of the plants, carbon dioxide and water and sunlight forms glucose and oxygen. So the answer for this question is photosynthesis. In this biochemical process, in the presence of sunlight, the carbon dioxide is used to form glucose. Let us take question number 4. Marble statues are corroded or stained when they repeatedly come in contact with the polluted rainwater. Identify the main reason. Options are A. Polluted water is basic in nature, hence it reacts with calcium carbonate. Option B, polluted water is acidic in nature, hence it reacts with calcium carbonate. Option C, calcium carbonate dissolves in water to give calcium hydroxide. Option D, decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide. So what's the best answer? Up to you. We must know that the rainwater is acidic in nature due to presence of nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide in atmosphere. The pH of the rainwater is around 5 to 6, and the reaction for this is water plus nitrogen oxide forms nitric oxide, and water plus sulfur dioxide and oxygen forms sulfuric acid, and hence the water mixed with the nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide along with oxygen forms sulfuric acid and nitric acid mixed with water. Hence the pH of the water drops to 5 to 6, in between of 5 to 6, and this acidic water when falls on these statues which are open in the air, it stains the statues. So the polluted water is acidic in nature, hence it reacts with the calcium carbonate, which is the chemical name of marble statues. Hence the answer is B. Let us take question number 5. Calcium oxide can be reduced to calcium by heating with sodium's metal. Which compound can act as an oxidizing agent in above process? Options are A, sodium, B, sodium oxide, C, calcium oxide, D, calcium. So what is the best answer? Up to you. In the presence of hot sodium, calcium oxide converts to calcium. The substance that undergo reduction which is having oxygen in hand like calcium oxide can be named as oxidizing agent, or in otherwise which have oxygen with it can be termed as oxidizing agent. So the answer for this is calcium oxide which is having oxygen in it. Answer C, calcium oxide. So we would meet on video of class 10 science case study number 8 from MCQ school very soon. Please press bell icon and subscribe MCQ school channel to get new video notification. Thank you very much.